Hello and welcome to What's Your Hobby? Our today's topic is DIY coaster making. In our last video, we saw how to arrange the candy sticks next to each other and glue them to make a coaster. For today's activity, you will need some candy sticks, glue and paint. For this design, I have arranged the sticks in an uneven pattern. I'm using a pencil to draw geometric shapes all over. I want to use pastel colors. So now I'm mixing little bit of blue and green with some white and will start painting inside the triangle. I have mixed very little water and have kept the paint little thick. This will not let my colors bleed outside the design. Repeat the colors and complete your painting. I'm using a thick marker pen to paint the outlines. You can also paint the outline using a brush too. I'm giving a touch up to the shapes Don't forget to use good quality candy sticks and get creative with your designs. Hey guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Watch more videos on coaster painting. Till then, stay tuned to What's Your Hobby?